If you've got a coffee cart available for events that's mobile and you're looking for a professional, affordable website for your business to advertise it, you're definitely in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSites platform to do exactly that, build a simple website for your coffee cart mobile business. If you haven't heard of MultiSites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, so make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week, but let's go ahead and search for ours, coffee cart catering. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's tell MultiSites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the MultiSites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's click on continue, let MultiSites work its magic with the information I've just put in. And there you have it. It literally took a couple seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of MultiSites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline. Of course, we've pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of all the beautiful coffee you're serving up, maybe at weddings or events, and you want to showcase it on your website, maybe make one or two amendments to that content that was pre-written for you. Perhaps you don't offer all those services. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. You don't need to know any website coding or be a web professional in any kind of way. Even if you're not that tech savvy, you can literally do this all yourself. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top and go ahead and pop in my email address over here. Let's go ahead and click on that box to display my email address on my website. Let's pop in my phone number over here. Your address, your physical location, considering you may be mobile, maybe you don't have a physical location, but if you want to put one in, pop it in over there. Customers can actually click on that address, be taken directly to Google Maps when it is live, your website. And update social links, you can put in your various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. In the next section, if you have a logo for your business, you can go ahead and browse your device and upload it over here as an example. Once it's been uploaded, you can click on that pencil to make slight amendments. You can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Otherwise, click on save. Here on the right, you can make the logo bigger and smaller. If you don't have a logo and you don't have a huge budget, maybe you're just starting out your business, check out canva.com or hatchville.com. Personally use them both myself, really great for free logo creation. With MultiSites as well, we've pre-selected the colors for you. I think this color is really fitting. However, if it doesn't go with your branding, you can change it. Click on that paint bucket, bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. Now, for each section you want to make amendments to, click on Update section directly underneath it. Head on over to Update Image. This is where you can browse your device for your own images. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There's hundreds of images to choose from, as you can see. Otherwise, if you head back to the photo options, you now have the option to connect your Instagram account. If you have one, with a click of a button, automatically pull in all those Instagram images instead of uploading them all individually. Very convenient. Under Update Action, you can change that button text. Currently says view our coffee menu. If you do have a coffee menu, choose a link here. You can even upload a PDF file, otherwise link to various other places. And Update Content is where you can change all that content that was pre-written for you, make it a little bit more personalized to your business, let them know how your customers know how you got into this industry and why you love your business. In the last section, we have a lead generation form. Customers can reach out to you here. You will get notified by your registered email address as leads come in. Also keep track of all your leads in your Marti dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, click on that yellow button at the bottom. If you don't have a custom domain, you'd like to purchase one, you can do so as well by clicking on that yellow button over there. Make your website look more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.